Good evening and welcome to the Weather Center. We stayed with fine weather once again across the bulk of South Africa throughout Monday, although we saw patches of high-level cloud streaming across much of the Western Cape. Then further east, we have a lot of rain-bearing clouds along much of the east coast and the adjacent interior. And this is going to leave us with light rain and drizzle tonight over parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. The wet weather will also spread into eastern Mpumalanga as the night progresses. It's going to stay fine for the rest of the country. Then on Tuesday, light rain continues over parts of the east coast and the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. Thunderstorms are forecast over the eastern parts of the Free State and northwest, extending eastwards into Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga. It's going to be dry across western South Africa with sizzling hot temperatures over the northern parts of the Northern Cape. So you can expect just a 40% chance of light rain and drizzle tonight wherever you see those shades of blue. Here's a look at what Cape Town is going to look like this evening. Just a few specks of cloud overhead. A pleasant evening for most. Temperatures will drop to around 15 degrees as we get into Tuesday morning. Talking of Tuesday, we start off the day with a bit of fog in places, and it's going to be partly cloudy in the afternoon. Temperatures warming up to 26 degrees. We are expecting mostly a northwesterly breeze tonight across much of the interior. Then on Tuesday, a northerly airflow is forecast over the western half of South Africa, and easterly airflow is expected along much of the east and the south coast. Overnight temperatures are going to be pretty comfortable across the bulk of South Africa, lying in the mid-teens along the coastal areas. A bit chilly, however, for Sutherland with a minimum of around 6 degrees. 16 for the minimum in Appington, the same for Mahikeng. Johannesburg will drop to 12, 14 for Pretoria, Mbombela, as well as Pietermaritzburg. It's going to stay sizzling hot on Tuesday afternoon across the central and northern parts of the country. Appington shooting to 36, 35 in Kimberley. Cooler as we go towards Mahika and Joburg should peak at around 27. Pretoria 29. Cooler as we go towards KwaZulu-Natal with temperatures in the lower to mid-20s. A high of 22 for East London, a degree cooler for Port Elizabeth and Bishop, and a high of 24 is forecast for George. We are expecting thunder showers on Wednesday over the northeastern parts of the country. Light rain continues for Durban and Richards Bay. It's going to be dry across western South Africa. Then Thursday sees some settled weather setting in across the northwest, Gauteng, Limpopo, and Mpumalanga. It's going to be dry for the rest of the country. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Have a great one.